Hey guys, welcome back. Today we have bring a new content. Today we will learn how to fly a drone with this simulator. Many of us want to make their own drone and also wanted to fly. But flying drone is not so easy as we think. Many beginners crash their expensive drone during the flight. To solve this problem, there is a simulator from where you can learn how to fly the drone and become a pro. So subscribe the channel and click the bell icon. And let's get into the video. Here I am using Fly Sky transmitter. And also I need my laptop, FMS simulator kit. Let's see what we got inside the box. First we got large RON patch cord. Then we got a small RON adapter cable. And a aero modeling USB cable. First we take small RON adapter cable and connect it with 3.5 jack. Connect it to the transmitter trainer port. Now switch on the transmitter. Select trainer mode and turn it on. And this configuration is done. Now type Orca FPP simulator. Open the second website and click on download. Now open the simulator and insert the USB cable into your PC or laptop. Now calibrate the joystick as I am doing and check if all the direction is working properly or not. If not, then you can change the value from here. Set the configuration as I am doing. Now we are ready to fly the drone. As you can see, I am controlling the drone from my transmitter. By practicing, you will learn to fly the drone quite easily. It is not so easy at beginning, but gradually when you set your hand, it will be easier for you. So do more practice to become a pro. This is another map where you can do practice. So how is the video, guys? Hope you like this video and please comment down below. Subscribe the channel and stay tuned for our next video. So enjoy the clip and bye bye until then.